Welcome to my little laundry. It's very small. But what I wanted to show you today, what I wanted to test, is whether the EcoFlow River 3 Plus, or Max Plus, because it's got the EB600 extra battery, can power my ASCO washing machine. So here's the energy ratings, 253 kilowatts per year, using a normal 40-degree cycle, 1400 RPM program 7 times a week. There's the water efficiency rating. So it's quite a good machine. And I'm only going to do a cold wash because, in situations where you're grid down, you're not going to want to do a hot wash because that's going to use a lot of power. So we're going to see if the minimum specs of a wash can be run by a River 3 Plus. So everything's in there now. It's on quick wash. I don't know what this means. Off, don't know. Cold, this is spin type, 1400 RPMs. It's going to only take half an hour. So yeah, the quickest quick wash from cold. We'll see if it runs. Okay, let's have a look up here. We're only drawing 10 watts. Okay, I'll check in with you a little bit later to see if it goes up. I'll check the app as well. 55, 65 watts peak at the moment. So the sound I was hearing before, that was just the water filling up. There we go. It's working. I'm quite amazed, actually. Like, I can run this off a power station. I charged it up all the way full, so we'll see how it goes. I'm actually really impressed, if you can't tell. All right, an update. We are about probably 30% into the wash cycle. Just doing a little bit of a spin now. And the River 3 Plus, there's the output. I saw it as high as 45 there. Now we'll be able to calculate how many percent it drains from this entire battery pack. I heard the spin cycle, 8 minutes left, and it's using 307 watts. So this is the most power hungry of the cycle. Remember, the River 3 Plus can handle 600 watts of continuous output. That's pretty cool. Okay, it's finished. And where's it gone? The wife's actually just got it out and hung it up on the line. That was amazing. I'm really impressed. And we've used 10% of the battery. Okay, my River 3 Plus is back in the office charging. It's quite late in the afternoon, so not much solar from my 160 watt EcoFlow portable folding panel. But given my calculations that this is only a 270 watt hour model and the EB600, the quick wash cycle only used 10% of the battery, which equates to 87 watt hours. So that's pretty cool. I could probably fit 8 to 9 quick washes with this setup, which I'm pretty happy about. So there we have it. You can use your washing machine on a cold rinse quick wash cycle with the EcoFlow River 3 Plus.